Place a coin onto a plate. Now pour some liquid over it. Now challenge your friends to pick up the coin without getting their fingers wet. The answer involves a glass of one of these. It's a piece of cork with 3 matches attached. Place the cork into the liquid and then light one of the matches. The moment it's lit, place the upturned glass over the matches. What you'll find is that all of the water is sucked up into the glass, allowing you to pick up the coin and so win the bet. Sprinkle some pepper into a bowl of water and challenge your friends to make the pepper move towards the edge of the bowl. When they give up, simply place some liquid soap onto your fingertip and simply touch the pepper. In order to be able to hold an inflated balloon over a candle without bursting it, first of all place some water inside the balloon. Blow it up, tie it off, and then gently lower it over the candle.